Hey everybody, thanks for watching one with me. Today we're looking back at the Heritor Davenport. A super cool watch. I brought it up last week when I did my Matthew Tissot Evasion review. That watch and this watch have some similar traits, case shape and that kind of thing. So I thought to revisit this one and maybe do a better job of reviewing. Often I go on Joma Shop and I look around for watches because I like watches, but more so I've learned that way I can find stuff that you don't really see out there. No one's reviewing these. This company's been around since the 1860s, I believe. They've been around a long time. Matthew Tissot, same thing. They've been around forever. But you don't really see any reviews. You hardly see any real photographs. You just find the renderings, which are fine, but they're not as good. Often they don't look as good as a real image. So decided to bring this one back, and basically what caught my eye on this is that really trippy case shape. It's kind of squarish, kind of a katana case, but not rectangular. Those Roman numerals on that textured blue dial, it almost looks like leather. Then combine that with those sword hands and that engraving on the case. It's very classy. It looks super cool. And I like blue. I like colors. Black is nice too. I actually have another one that's black and gold. But this one with a blue leather strap, I just love it. It's really cool. I did add a deployment clasp to it. The deployment clasp will preserve the leather strap. It'll keep it from getting damaged with the tang going through the holes and stuff. So kind of preserves the original here. Yes,